Arbitrum might lose 5.8% tomorrow, according to coin data flow. Let's take a quick glance at today's market situation. Arbitrum has posted a gain of 5.3% over the past day and sits near $0.08769. Let's jump into what analysts project. Coin price forecast expects a dip to $0.0874 by June 16, showing a decline of 0.4%. Arbitrum is projected to move down towards $0.0864 per 30 rates, an expected drop of 1.5%. Traders Union points out it could weaken to $0.0843, a move lower of approximately 3.9%. Another outlook from CoinDataFlow indicates Arbitrum might push lower towards $0.08263, about 5.8% down. To conclude, Gulf Capital Collector targets $0.08007 by June 16, with a decrease of 8.7%. This is the top return today. That's all 5 forecasts for tomorrow. Let's move forward. Let's take a closer look at what each forecast could return. Analysts' numbers point to a move between a drop of 8.7% and a decline of 0.4%. Considering all forecasts, Gulf Capital Collector is at the top with 8.7% upturn in value by June 16. To sum it up, you could net between $4 and $87 for every $1,000 you invest. By probability measures, coin price forecast is at the top of the chart, with a 96.1% chance of success. Looking across today's forecasts, I've summarized them into a consensus outlook. According to the combined forecasts, Arbitrum might move down close to 4.1%. Here's a closer look at the numbers. Consensus expectations call for a 4.1% reduction in value. On those same terms, your capital could potentially move higher by 4.1%. With a 1,000 base, the move could equal about $41 in potential return. So the chance of the consensus forecast on Arbitrum playing out stands close to 79.6%. Let's move on and check where analysts expect the price to head in the short 3-day window. Coin price forecast anticipates Arbitrum following a bullish course. In this forecast, 30 rates emphasizes stability, expecting Arbitrum to stay unchanged. Traders Union notes bearish momentum building up. A drop is additionally expected by CoinDataFlow, reinforcing the downside view. Similarly, Gulf Capital Collector expects the price to slump further. The consensus points to Arbitrum trading below current levels during this horizon. So, the shared outcome highlights that the majority see Arbitrum falling. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Let's check which ones matched the move. At the end of the day, the price was $0.08584. As it turned out, a single analyst got the move right. Strongest accuracy was shown by 30 rates. Let's go through it. The daily range included none of the forecasts. And about ROI, only one result showed a gain of 0.4%. Here's the full table showing how every forecast performed. In the final stats, 30 rates posted minus 0.4% ROI and 0.20's $554 accuracy. See if you can find the analyst who was most on point. Let's see how tomorrow's predicted profitability looks when compared with a few other assets. Our featured asset leads the profitability, ranking with 4.1%. Here I've compared Arbitrum with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more can already be explored on my website. Subscribe now so the next major move doesn't slip past you. See you, friends.